everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be another baby prep and update video. I'm currently 34 weeks pregnant, but by the time you see this video, I'll be almost 35 weeks. So we've only got a couple weeks left to go here, which is just crazy. I'm currently on my way to my midwife appointment, and I had to stop here in Benson to drop off some paperwork. So I decided to grab a coffee and a little breakfast sandwich at Native Grounds Coffee Shop. They have the best coffee, and I always get their white chocolate mocha, but today I got it hot because it's been so cold lately. The last 2 days it's gotten down to freezing at night, but then it gets up to 70 during the day. But I'm gonna get going here, and I'll take you along on my day as I run some errands, get groceries and everything. So I had my midwife appointment, everything's looking great, and then I went over to the chiropractor, ran several errands, and then my last two stops here were Target and the grocery store. I came into Target to grab the last couple baby items that I needed, and it was just fun to slowly shop through all of the baby stuff. I don't get to do this too often where I dedicate a trip into a store just to shop through the baby items, so it was really fun. So it's the next morning now. I didn't get quite as much filmed yesterday as I thought I would. I just was really busy with appointments and errands, but I will show you a little bit of what I got yesterday. You saw my grocery haul last night, and I'll quickly show you here the couple things that I got at Target. Target had a deal going on where if you spent $50 on diapers and wipes, you got a $10 Target gift card, so I took advantage of that. And I got some size 1 diapers, a big box of the wipes. These are always the wipes I get, the Huggies Natural Care, and then a little package of newborn diapers. I think I have enough newborn diapers. I just wanted one more little package just to be sure, and now I'm just going to be buying the size 1. I'm drinking my red raspberry leaf tea here this morning. I always start drinking this at about 33 weeks pregnant, and then I increase how much I drink of it each week after that until the end of the pregnancy. I just make a huge batch of this, put it in the fridge, and drink it cold. It's so yummy. I don't put anything in it. I just drink it black. I got this little bath organizer for the boys' toys in the tub. They always have these plastic bowls and plates and cups at Target for only 50 cents each. So I always keep a bunch of these in the cabinets for the kids. They're great. I grabbed a couple more of those. Some little toiletries for the hospital bag because I'm going to start packing that. And then I also got one of these small Tommy Tippy bottles. These are always the bottles that I like to use for the newborn babies, and I just got one of them in case the boys or Jalen want to feed the baby. I also ran into the thrift store and grabbed a couple things. I had credit there from some clothes I had taken a while back. I got these muck boots for Kyle. He can wear these out to take care of the chickens, and they were only $2. These cute little cowboy boots I got for Owen for only $7, and they're the brand Justin boots, so these are normally like 60 to 70 brand new. A little t-shirt for Owen was only 25 cents, and then I paid $2 for each of these t-shirts for Kyle, but I didn't actually pay for any of this because I had credit from clothes that I had taken in previously, like I said, so this was actually all free. And then some little footed zip-up onesies for the baby. They were only $1 each, so some really good finds at the thrift store yesterday. I also did finally buy a car seat for the baby, so I need to get that unboxed, get it set up. I have a stroller I need to unbox, and then just more baby clothes that needs washed and organized. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on all of that. Okay, so here's the car seat I ended up getting. I bought this at Target. It's the Graco Snug Ride Snug Fit 35LX. So I'm going to get this unpacked here, have it all set up and ready to go. Okay, so here's the car seat. I really like it. We'll probably wait a few more weeks before we go and install the base in the truck. For now, I'll just go store this in my office. So it's ready to go and we can grab it if we have to head to the hospital. It's got a nice canopy here. It clicks in really easily. And yeah, it seems like a great car seat. It's got really good reviews online, which is why I ended up going with this one. I still have to adjust all the straps and stuff, but I can't believe we're gonna have a little baby in here in just a couple weeks. Okay, the last thing I need to unbox here is this stroller. It was sent over by Mom Push. I got it in the color black. I'm really excited to get this thing out and see what it looks like. Okay, this is a really awesome stroller. I love all the faux leather details up here at the handle. This handle actually adjusts so you can have it higher or lower. A lot of storage under here, and then this pouch is actually magnetic. These wheels will lock in place. If you don't want them to swivel, you can just push down the buttons. It was really easy to snap together. I just could not figure it out at first, and then when I finally got it figured out, everything just kind of snapped into place. It's got the bassinet attachment too, and that's what I'll be using while the baby's little. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap this seat off and then just put the bassinet on here and just leave that on, since that's what I'll be using at first. Okay, so we've got a situation going on over here. We had it looking all cute in the last video, and now it's just turned into storage, which is what happens when you don't have a nursery. So I think what I'm going to do is clean out some of this closet over here, and then we can put things like diapers and wipes and everything that needs a place to be stored can go in that closet. And then we can just have the bassinet in here. And I did plug this hanging light into a dimmer. That way I can dim it down as low as I want. It's not as bright as it was before in the last baby prep and update video. We set up this bassinet, and then I also made this DIY basket light. I'm gathering together my last load of baby laundry, and a lot of this is the bigger sizes like 0 to 3 months and 3 months, but I'm going to go ahead and just have it all washed and ready to go. This over here is some new items that I got. These are from Harley B & Co. This is a cute little baby gown, and then over here is a swaddle with a hat and a bow. So I think I'm going to be taking this swaddle with me to the hospital, and this is what I'll wrap the baby in for its announcement picture. And then if it's a girl, I'll put on a bow, and if it's a boy, I'll put on the hat. So we'll see which one we end up using here. And then I also got a teether and a little beanie hat for this winter. I had some baby gifts and letters in my P.O. box from the sweetest people. Thank you so much. You know who you are if you're watching this. This is from Precious Arrows. She has this little shop. She sells these diaper caddies, and she sent me 2 of these, one for me to use for my baby and then one for me to give away. So I think I'm going to give that one away to my aunt because she just had a baby. But this is the cutest little diaper caddy right here. I'm going to use this for diapers and wipes. It's got an organizer in here that velcros off. And then this gift right here just about made me cry because her and her mom worked so hard to make all of these burp cloths and blankets for the baby and a sweet little card here. That was just so incredibly sweet of you and your mom to do that for me. So I cleared out half of this closet so I could use it for storage for some of these baby items. And we will be setting up a nursery for the baby eventually in my office, but we probably won't do that until later this winter. So that's going to be really fun to set up and decorate. I just have to figure out where I'll be relocating my office to. And I was planning to pack my hospital bag in this video, but I just didn't end up getting time to film that. So maybe I'll get that packed for next week's video. I usually like to have it packed around 35 or 36 weeks so that I'm prepared and it's ready to go anytime just in case for those last couple weeks. I'm just quickly tidying up here and swapping out the laundry before I start supper, and I'll be sharing a really easy supper recipe with you guys, so stay tuned. Going to get started on supper, and I'm making cheesy beef casserole. This is my mom's recipe. So the first thing you'll do is to brown your ground beef, and then once that's done and you drain off the grease, you're going to add in taco seasoning, water, uncooked instant rice, cream of mushroom soup, and cream of chicken soup. But if you don't have both, you can just do cream of chicken. Then the last thing you'll add is a can of chopped green chilies. Stir all that together and then pour it into a greased 13x9 dish. Cover it with aluminum foil and bake it on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I think I only baked mine for about 20 minutes before I took off the foil and added the cheese. So while that's baking, I'm going to clean up the kitchen. Okay, so the casserole is done in the oven. You're going to take that out, take off the aluminum foil, and then put your shredded cheese on top. Put it back in the oven uncovered until all of your cheese is melted and bubbling, and then you'll just go ahead and serve it. We serve ours with tortilla chips, sour cream, salsa. My laundry was done, so I got that washed cover back on the bassinet, and that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. We appreciate each of you so much, and we will see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye!